In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Wix customer service. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to log into your Wix dashboard. In here, you're just going to look for the profile icon on the top right side of the screen. There should be a drop down there, so if you click on it, you'll have this list of options right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and click on Help Center. Now it will lead us to this search bar right here and a bunch of trending articles. So to contact Wix customer service, we're just going to type in customer care right here and then look for this article that says contacting Wix customer care for support. So if we click that, we're going to be directed to this article right here, and we can see some other details about their Wix customer care. Now to go ahead and contact their customer service, we're going to go ahead and click on Get Started, and it should lead us to their live chat via their Wix bot right here. So in here, we can send a message or ask them a question regarding any of these topics or whatever issue you may have on your account. And that's about it. That's how you contact Wix customer service. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.